Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be customizing a glueless wig and we're going to be sewing it with hand. Okay, so the first thing to do is to take your client's head measurements. Take your client's head measurements. If your client is not close to you, you tell the client to measure her head size and send to you. So after that, you go ahead to transfer the measurements onto your canvas head. Okay, you measure the front to nape, you measure the ear to ear. So keep watching this video for the proper measurements, and each time you measure, make sure you use your T-pin to place on that spot so that you would know where to place your wig cap. Okay, just like I did here, you used to secure it. So this is the first thing to do. You measure it properly. After measuring it, you go ahead to place your wig cap. So keep watching this video. I'll be chipping in things when necessary. Okay, this is the frontal wig. So what I need to do is I want to get the middle. So I had to fold it equally, then use my T-pin to secure the center before I placed it on the canvas head. Okay, so this is the wig cap, and when you want to wear the wig cap onto the canvas head, you follow the measurements you've already you know you already did. Okay, so what you need to do is to place it at that point where your pin stops, so that you will know that you are doing the right thing. Okay, this is why it's very important to always use pin to secure your measurement whenever you're measuring it. So this is the back. I have to pull it down onto that particular point where the pin is, then I now drag it down to that point and secured it with the pin. I also drag the two sides to drag it down, and I place the pin, then drag the other side down and place the pin. So this is it, guys. So after that, you notice that there are excesses up there, so you go ahead to adjust the excesses and use your needle and thread to sew it down, so that you know that you've gotten the perfect head measurement for your customer. Then after that, you go ahead to place the frontal onto the cap. While placing your frontal, always give 1 inch space in the front. Okay, so your frontal should start at that point. Give 1 inch. That 1 inch is actually for the ear size, so that you will get the ear size correctly. And while placing your frontal, make sure it has this M shape. This M shape actually tells you that yes, you are doing it right. Okay, then after that, you go ahead to lay the frontal very well. Make sure that it is laid flat, then use your pins to secure it properly onto the hair. Here I was just trying to be sure that everything is the way I want it to be. Okay, then after that, the next thing is to use your chalk, use your pencil, anything that you can use to line this net, so that in order to get a neat sewing and finishing. I normally give 1/2 inch spacing in the front if the wig has enough volume, but if the wig is little, I normally give 1 inch space. Okay, then you go ahead to take it the two sides, just to be sure that you're going to get a neat sewing and finishing. Then after that, you go ahead to sew in the frontal onto the wig cap. Okay. So this is basically what you'll be doing. While sewing this frontal, always start from the middle, okay? From the middle to the sides, from the middle to the sides, okay? And make sure that it is flatly laid while sewing this. That is why you always need to use your T-pin to flatten this closure and drag it well before stitching, before sewing. So this is basically how to measure your head size and transfer it onto your wig cap. If you find this video helpful, subscribe.